Hey, what's going on guys? Eric here from Eric and Miles, and recently on this last weekend I was out at my lake home with some friends and I took some awesome astrophotography. This is one of my first tries at it, but it turned out way better than I thought it ever would have. So and I'm gonna show you how I edit my astrophotography shots. So let's get right into Lightroom and I'll show you how. So we're here at Lightroom and this is my shot fully edited. You can see the Milky Way right here. I got a subject in frame and obviously the stars. So this was, I don't know how this got so bright. I was like 5 miles from the nearest town. So I don't know if that's that or what the heck is going on over here, but that ended up happening. So I'm gonna reset this image. This is the beginning. This is what it looks like at the beginning. So first off, I'm gonna go to the tone curve and do a just regular S tone curve, add some fade into the shot. Then I'm gonna turn up the clarity 25, turn up contrast 25, and then I'm gonna mess around with the exposure, put it at about 150, bring down the highlights 50. That's what I found best to brings out the stars. If you bring up the actual exposure, then down the highlights, and then bring down whites and blacks just a tiny bit. And with the colors, I'm gonna tweak blues just a tiny bit with the hues. I'm gonna leave the oranges and the rest the same, but I'm gonna bring the saturation down on orange and yellow, both about 50. Bring their luminance down, bring the luminance up with the blues, split tone my average. I'm gonna sharpen this. These are all lightning bugs, so I'm actually gonna take those out of the shot. Yeah, just take all those out. That's the ending shot. Maybe I might mess with the white balance a tad just to make it a little more blue, and vibrance up just a tad. Bring down the saturations again, but not too far. Oh wait, no, this is luminance I'm messing with, my bad. And yeah, that's the finishing shot for this one. This will be my last edit, so I'm going to reset that. This looks really good in my opinion. So yeah, that's how I edit my astrophotography shots. I just got back from a long trip, so I'm going to be editing those videos. I'll edit out the on-site vlog I did of this time, but I just figured I should film something and get something out tomorrow for you guys since I've missed 2 or 3 days. I can't really remember now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you liked this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Consider checking out our other content. Consider sharing with a friend if you thought it was helpful, and see you tomorrow.
At a Clippers game on the court side, watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see you? Go home, Roger. Go home, Roger. Tea and Tamara in my bed, I'm a smart guy. I ain't fucking with you niggas like a part-time.